Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple TV not working on your LG Smart TV. Now, the first thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and unplug your TV for about 60 seconds and then replug it back in. What you've done here is a soft reset of your LG Smart TV. Afterwards, go ahead and see if your Apple TV app works. Now, if that still continues not to work, highlight the Apple TV, press and hold the center button here, and wait until you appear on a page that looks like this. Click on the trash can icon located above the Apple TV icon, and then delete the app. Once you delete the app, go ahead and reinstall the app and see if that works. Now, as a last resort, what you could also do is that if you go into the gear icon in the upper left-hand corner, and then click on the gear icon again, you can scroll down to where it says General. Afterwards, click on System, which is located on the bottom-hand side, and then go ahead and click on Reset to Initial Settings. So what this is going to do is that it's going to do a soft or a hard reset of your TV, which wipes out any installed apps or accounts that you're logged into. So use this as a last resort. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.